Concept for FuelBuddy came about in 2016 when we envisioned fuel delivery as a concept. We very quickly realized that it will be a very heavily regulated business by the government since it deals directly with fuel. Started approaching different stakeholders in the government, the three oil companies, Ministry of Petroleum, Niti Aayog, Startup India. Got a lot of support from all the stakeholders. And it was a very different concept, a mobile petrol pump. No one had ever really thought of it or executed it. It took us a couple of years to actually convince everybody and get all the stakeholders on board that it is a model that can succeed and there is a gap in the market. Finally, we got permission in 2018 to start with a small pilot in Haryana. The market response was phenomenal. Customers joined and started seeing value in the service, for the simple reason that pilferage and adulteration were an accepted norm in the industry before FuelBuddy came about. Through the heavy use of technology that we do in the purchasing, transportation and the dispensing part of the fuel, the companies did start seeing a lot of savings once it did start procuring fuel from us. When the journey started, it took a shape of its own when the customers started coming on board with us, and now very happy to say that we are in 50 plus cities, servicing thousands of customers on a daily basis. And the unique solution that we are in a position now to provide is the one vendor solution. So if you are a company or a brand who has multiple fuel requirements in multiple cities, with FuelBuddy, the advantage is we are one vendor, can look after all your fueling solutions and actually show you savings in your fuel purchase and your fuel consumption. We have designed three products in the market. First one is something that we call a buddy can. It's typically for customers who have very less fuel requirements, say 20 liters, 40 liters. It's a calibrated jar with PESO, which is the explosive organization. The second product is a smart storage solution that we have developed. Comes in multiple sizes. Major advantage is you get a live reading of how much fuel is in your tank, and you get a notification if someone accesses the fuel in your tank. It gives you complete accountability of the fuel that you have stored on your site. The third product is something we call a DOT. It's similar to a smart storage solution, except it's got the added feature of dispensing, which is ideal for customers who have movable assets on their sites. So if you're a construction site or you're a mining site and you have movable assets, the DOT fits perfectly in your ecosystem because it comes with a smart storage along with dispensing facilities, which you can do at your own time, depending on when your assets require it.